Hey guys, we were doing recently some gummies, so today we decided to make some surprise eggs, right?
Yeah! Gummy surprise eggs!
Yes, we made gummy surprise eggs.
Yeah!
Let's check them out. So we got eggs.
Yeah!
3 surprise, we can call them Easter eggs, but they are made of gummy, but it's not all.
It's inside a surprise.
Yes, in each egg you can see surprise.
Eggs.
Look. I think you can try to open it, Sammie.
But first I'm gonna eat it.
You mean not eat all of it, yeah? Just try,
Yeah.
yeah? Okay.
Ooh. Good.
Sure.
Try the red one.
Probably it was a strawberry, I'm not sure.
Good.
All of them are good, Sammie.
Yeah.
And that was the lemon or lime, I think.
Good.
Oh, I'm not surprised. Okay, you want to open and see?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope you can open it. It's not easy though.
Yeah. I get it. I get it. Ah, yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I see the surprise egg.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I almost get it. Yeah, I get it.
Go.
Now the green one.
Okay.
And there is the surprise egg. Almost there.
Do you think so?
Yeah. It's gonna be messy. Okay.
Not easy, Sammie, to find the surprise.
Yeah, okay. Here it is.
And this one, we're just gonna cut.
Cut it open. True.
Mm-hmm.
There is the surprise egg.
Okay.
There is. Oh, okay. Okay, there is.
You got it? Ah, nice.
Yeah, it's really cool like that. Okay, there we go. Time for surprises.
Okay, the first one.
Whoa.
What's
A
that?
minifigure.
Lego minifigure?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
That's a new one. Is she from Star Wars?
I think so. Let me see her. That's the minifigure.
Yeah.
Nice, I guess. Let's open the second egg.
Yeah, the green one. Chewbacca.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Another new figure, right?
Yeah.
You happy about Chewbacca?
So that's our Chewbacca.
Yeah, that's the second one.
And the third one. Whoa, and another minifigure.
Oh, there is some jelly inside.
Yeah.
Not too much.
Yeah, that's the best. It's a true bear.
Yep. That's the third one. All of them are from Star Wars.
Yes.
And they come, Sammie, from those little sets.
Oh,
You see?
yeah.
I bought 3 small sets and took minifigures from them. And you're gonna have some fun today with Lego, I think.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Of course, Sammie loves Lego and he loves small sets. Right?
Yes.
Okay, but in this video, that's it, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys.
And bye-bye, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.
Watch us next time.